What do you mean? Hey, yeah. When you nod your head, yes, I wanna say no. What do you mean? I completely agree with Justin Bieber. I also know that even you say yes when you desperately wanna say no. This might be destroying your self worth too. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to teach you 5 practical ways to stop people pleasing, choose yourself, and actionable steps. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. I actually used to fear disappointing others until I realized I'm disappointing myself. Do you find yourself apologizing even when you're not wrong? Is that you? All the time you are feeling responsible for other people's happiness. Who is actually taking care of your happiness? Ever thought about that? I bet you didn't. That is why I'm going to tell you how to break free from this habit and start choosing yourself. I thought that being liked meant being available all the time to everyone. जब आप किसी से बात करें और आपको लग रहा है कि वो इंसान गलत कह रहा है एंड आप उसको करेक्ट कर सकते हो बट यू जस्ट वांट टू अवॉइड द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट सो यू सप्रेस योर फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस एंड ओपिनियंस मेरे साथ भी कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि टू अवॉइड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आई यूज टू सप्रेस माई ओपिनियंस just for sake of peace and for other people's happiness. I don't know. I always thought that making others happy, being kind to them was the core thing to do if you want to be liked by everyone. But that changed when I shifted my focus from everybody to me, choosing myself, my opinions. So let's understand what is exactly people pleasing. People pleasing is the habit of putting everybody's needs, approval, and feelings before yours, often at the cost of your mental and emotional well being. It usually stems from fear of rejection, fear of conflict, and fear of abandonment. Now, let's come back to the signs that you are a people pleaser. Struggle to say no is point number one. Point number two is that you feel guilty for prioritizing yourself. Third, you constantly seek validation. You over apologize even when it's not necessary. And if you're wondering why is being a people pleaser harmful, it's harmful because even though it may seem harmless, it is actually causing you low self-esteem, emotional burnout, low key resentment, even anxiety and depression. It's like losing your own sense of identity. People do respect boundaries, but they do not respect sacrifices. Stop being too nice because it's ruining your life. The more nicer you are, more chances that your people are going to use you. What comes easy isn't respected. Here are some actionable steps. The first one is your default is yes. So please pause, think, and just say this one line. Let me get back to you. This one sentence is going to save you so much of regret. Sentence changes everything. Number two is get comfortable in disappointing others. It's not your job to keep them happy all the time. Learn to understand that a no is a complete sentence and it does not always need to come with over explaining why you're saying no. So, the more you explain, the more you are inviting the negotiation. Set small boundaries first. For example, don't pick up the call when you're actually busy. You don't need to reply that text instantly. Take your time. Please don't say yes out of guilt. Step number 5 is detach your worth from approval. If you really think that people are going to leave if I start saying no or prioritizing myself and choosing myself, then you are probably with the wrong people and it is not your loss. Right ones are going to respect your boundary and they are even going to stay emotional intelligence and they will understand you. And to them, you won't need to over explain them. The moral of the story, stop being available all the time to people, start saying no, respect your boundaries, and let people know that they need to respect your boundaries as well. And start saying yes to yourself and no to others. And just know that people who are still choosing you when you are choosing yourself, they are the real ones. And people who don't understand that, they can lose you. When you stop people pleasing, your peace, your self respect, and confidence goes up like that. this video hit you, then please comment I choose myself and send this video to a person that you think needs to hear this. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. With this, the video comes to an end, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.